The rise of LED therapy, a gentle approach to skin rejuvenation. In the ever-evolving world of skincare, non-invasive treatments are gaining immense popularity, with LED therapy leading the charge. This innovative technology harnesses the power of light to rejuvenate the skin, effectively addressing a myriad of concerns without any downtime. Unlike harsh lasers or abrasive procedures, LED therapy offers a gentle yet effective solution for achieving healthier, more radiant skin. The beauty of LED therapy lies in its simplicity and safety. It involves exposing the skin to specific wavelengths of light which are absorbed by the cells, stimulating various biological processes that promote healing and rejuvenation. This gentle approach makes LED therapy suitable for all skin types and tones with minimal risk of side effects. Whether you're seeking to combat the visible signs of aging, soothe inflammation, or improve skin tone and texture, LED therapy offers a promising solution. Its versatility and impressive results have cemented its place as a staple in both professional dermatological settings and at-home skincare routines alike. Unmasking the science. How LED therapy works its magic. LED therapy might seem futuristic, but its underlying principles are rooted in basic science. The key lies in the interaction between light and our skin cells. When exposed to specific wavelengths of LED light, these cells absorb the energy and convert it into cellular fuel, essentially kick-starting a cascade of beneficial effects. Think of it as photosynthesis for your skin. Just as plants utilize sunlight for growth, our skin cells can utilize LED light to stimulate repair, reduce inflammation, and promote collagen production. This process, known as photobiomodulation, is at the heart of LED therapy's effectiveness. Different wavelengths of light penetrate the skin at varying depths, each triggering specific responses. This allows dermatologists to tailor LED treatments to address individual concerns, whether it's targeting acne-causing bacteria, reducing redness and inflammation, or stimulating collagen for firmer, more youthful-looking skin. Wavelengths explained, targeting specific skin concerns with precision. One of the most remarkable aspects of LED therapy is its ability to address a wide array of skin concerns by simply adjusting the wavelength of light used. Each color within the visible light spectrum corresponds to a specific wavelength, and each wavelength interacts with skin cells in a unique way. For instance, blue light, known for its antibacterial properties, is highly effective in treating acne. It targets and destroys acne-causing bacteria, reducing inflammation and promoting clearer skin. Red light, on the other hand, penetrates deeper into the skin, stimulating collagen production and improving elasticity. This makes it a popular choice for reducing fine lines, wrinkles, and scars. Other wavelengths, such as green light, are used to target pigmentation issues like hyperpigmentation and sunspots, while yellow light can help soothe sensitive skin and reduce redness. This versatility allows dermatologists to create customized treatment plans tailored to each individual's unique needs and concerns. Safety first, LED therapy versus UV-based treatments. In a world increasingly conscious of sun damage and its long-term effects, it's natural to approach light-based therapies with caution. However, it's important to understand that LED therapy is fundamentally different from UV-based treatments, like tanning beds and sun lamps. Unlike UV rays, which are known to damage skin cells and increase the risk of skin cancer, LED therapy utilizes specific wavelengths of visible light that are entirely safe for the skin. LED therapy does not emit harmful ultraviolet radiation. Instead, it uses low-level light energy that is absorbed by the skin to stimulate natural cellular processes without causing any damage. This makes LED therapy a safe and effective option for all skin types, including sensitive skin, and it can be used safely on a regular basis without the risk of sunburn or other adverse effects. Furthermore, LED therapy is a non-invasive procedure, meaning it doesn't involve needles, incisions, or any disruption to the skin's surface. This eliminates the risk of infection, scarring, or other complications associated with more invasive procedures.